Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be starting a new build. We're going to be building what I'm calling a mini drag scooter. We're going to be using the front end of a bike. And then we're going to be building a custom frame. We're going to have a rear go-kart slick on it with some other go-kart parts. We're going to be using a 5.5 horsepower Briggs that we robbed off of a tiller. We built a custom straight pipe for it. We removed the governor and we're just going to be using a simple centrifugal clutch. So let's get started. Alright, so we got this nifty little tubing notcher here. Got from Harbor Freight for 60 bucks. It has a hole saw on it. You can adjust at different angles. Pretty much you can cut little notches like this that fit up perfect for welding. Okay, what we decided to do, we actually cut the main tube that was right here. We cut that out. It looks like it's pretty good steel to weld to. So we're going to clean this one up a good bit with the grinder, and we want to reuse this one because it has the lips for the bearings to sit in. So, all right, so we got our tubing cut on the tubing notcher. It fits really well. Ready to weld on, tack on. So pretty much this is going to be our main tube going down. And it's going to be something about like this. Okay, so we got our parts today in the mail. We got us 11 by 6 drag slick for our scooter. And then we got us a really lightweight aluminum wheel. It might weigh a pound. It's really light. Then we got us a wheel hub. 62 sprocket with the sprocket hub. We got us our axle here. And then we also got us the bearing for the rear axle. Alright, so this is kind of what we're coming up with. We got the top tube tacked on. We notched out the bottom tube. Cut this one at 14 inches. And then we're going to have some main tubes running back to the rear axle. And then we're definitely going to add some supports and stuff. So yeah, come along pretty good. we did redo the front part right here, put it on a different angle, but we pretty much got us a rolling chassis. If we take the engine off here, pretty happy about it. Alright, this is going to wrap up part 1 of the mini drag scooter build. Please hit the like button and subscribe button and come back for part 2.